have the next piece of our puzzle. I don't know what year it is. It appears to be later. Maybe in the 20s. Let's see if I can find a date on it. But, I haven't been able to find one yet. Figured I'd get out here and put a coat of paint on it before it starts to rust up. If it was going to be stamped, it would be stamped somewhere in here, I would think. Somewhere around the passenger floor. Give it a little scuff up, see if we can find anything. Like I said, it does appear to have the later mounts. We can drill new holes. Don't see any numbers, but probably should put some black paint on this, unless you have a different suggestion on what color I should paint it. But it definitely needs something so it doesn't rust anymore. Let me get working on that and come back on if I find anything. Now, not sponsored. In fact, I absolutely hate this company. But I decided to give this a try. It is supposed to be uncloggable. Huh, that's weird. A slit in it. Very strange, but yeah, see how it goes. Well, no complaints so far. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. If I can do this without the wind blowing it into the camera. We'll find out when I put it back on the shelf. Usually with this brand I get one spray, put it on the shelf, and it never works again. I've thrown away dozens and dozens and dozens of cans that had that much taken out of them. Hopefully this works better. There's one side. You see I got most of the frame painted. Still bald there, there, definitely there, and there. And this 24 ounces of paint. would not coat that little frame. So I guess I don't have to. I mean, there's no coming back and spraying this again now anyway. It's gone. Normally it would have taken maybe about that much, maybe half of this can to spray one of those. It's not the first frame I've ever sprayed. And it rarely took more than one can of the 12-ounce cans. What a joke. So, again, not a fan of this company. And I did not find any numbers on this anywhere. I'm guessing it's in the mid-20s. It had a battery, so it was post-19. So there's one of the mounts for the batteries, the battery box, those two there. And if I'm pointing in the wrong direction, it's because I can't see anything on this little GoPro screen. So I'm assuming it's recording. And hopefully I've got it aimed right. Anyway, one more part. One more down. 10,000 more to go. Okay, it is experiment time. See if we can clean that up. The lighting in here is terrible. First round is going to be distilled vinegar. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try it. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and put it in the pan, trying not to get it all over the floor, because that would make my wife very unhappy. I'm going to stick this. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this. Stick this in here. We're going to go with diluted vinegar the first round because I'm not sure if it's going to eat it or not. So we're going to throw some water in here as well. Pretty much, we got not a lot of vinegar at all. Stinky. Grab some water and we'll come back in a second here. Hang on. There. Talk about being prepared, huh? I guess we're going to need more. And I've just decided to throw some soap in there. Crap. Crap. Okay, now that I've watered the table, the floor, myself, I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. Try not to make it worse. I'm gonna rub almost to the top here. Jesus. I think I need a bigger pan. Okay. We're going to let that sit for a day or so while I mop the floor. Alright. Good grief.
Several days later.
It has been 3 days. I went one, didn't see any change. I went 2 more. And this is where we're at. With the same vinegar and I don't see huge change. I don't see a lot of There doesn't appear to be a lot of garbage in the water. So I think the next thing we're going to have to do here, I apologize for the lighting, I'm going to dump this out and we'll take a look. Alright, this has been rinsed. Doesn't appear to have done anything. I think the next thing we need to do is probably increase the amount of vinegar. It's still, yeah, you can see it's still filthy inside. So better or worse, I got a frog in my throat again today. Better or worse, I'm going to show you what to do. Even if it's an utter failure, so I'm going to get some more vinegar. I'm going to soak this again. I might even add some baking soda to it. We'll see. I'm not giving up on it yet.